Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this pastel goth outfit and dress to impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. The outfit will look like this and I'm going to show you the items I'm wearing to create this outfit. First of all guys, you can choose these 3 hairstyles and you're going to color it with this color, this light purple color. Okay, the next one, we're going to move to this area and I'm going to wear this corset right here. And for the first selection, I'm going to color it black. And for the second selection, color it with this purple. And for the next selection, I'm going to color it with this purple. Oops, sorry, this one I mean. And for the fourth selection, for the ribbon, color it with this purple. And the last one, I'm just going to choose this one. Okay, and I'm going to choose this skirt as well. Apply this pattern and then color it black for the second selection. And for the last selection, just color it white. Alright, and then I'm going to move to this area and wear this shoe. And then I'm going to color it with this color. And this color for this one, okay, and white and white for the fourth selection. Okay, and then I'm going to move to this area and choose this gloves. And then for the first selection, I'm going to color it with my skin tone color. And for the next selection, I'm going to color it black. And then apply this one as well and color it black. And select this stocking. And you're going to change the toggle to high striped socks. And for the first selection, I'm going to color it white and color it with this purple for the next selection. And the stocking as well. And I'm just going to make it like that and make it black for the second selection. Okay, then I'm going to go to the necklaces area. It's right here. I'm going to choose this one and I'm going to color it purple. This purple. Okay, then this one as well. Alright, and then I'm going to choose this one and make it purple. I'm just going to make it this purple and this purple. Alright, and I'm going to go to this accessories. I'm going to choose this ribbon, make it toggle 3 and change it to black. And I'm going to wear this item as well. And we're going to make them all black. Okay. And the last one, I'm going to go to the changing room or the dressing room. And we're going to select the doll. Okay guys, where is it? Okay, this one. And I'm going to color it purple, light purple, and also this purple. Then I'm going to change the toggle to toggle 3 and I'm going to wear the Myra heel, change the toggle to classic sock. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today for the pastel goth theme. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.